Hello, welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Yeah, we only take a look at the shorter time frame count. Earlier today, we took a look at the bigger picture. And yeah, what do we see here on the chart? We see that the price today respected, or let's say, first of all, the price rallied a little bit in this smaller wave for, in smaller time frame, smaller wave degree, wave 4. Price hit the 50% retracement at 70,171, and yeah, possibly started now wave 5 to the downside. We'll see if it does that. It's entirely possible that something more bullish is going on already, something more directly bullish, but then I need to see evidence. I need to see a break above resistance, and you can see how relevant these fib levels are. I mean, at the moment, the market is just dancing between the 23.6 retracement at 69,253. That's the 23.6 retracement of the decline that happened on Friday, from the Friday high to the Friday low. And well, between that level and the 50% retracement at 70,171, which is normally the maximum level that a fourth wave should retrace to. So overall, just boring sideways consolidation here at the moment. And it might continue tomorrow. It might continue. We might not see anything significant until we get the Fed interest rate decision. It is sometimes like that. So manage your expectations, I suggest, and make sure that you understand that on Wednesday there could be some short-term crazy volatility. But I would call that just noise. It's just sort of a lot of bot trading, meaningless consolidation and volatility short-term. That doesn't usually change the trend, but can introduce some fluctuations. Some wave patterns can go to the extremes. Maybe we get some invalidations on the smaller time frames. That all could happen on Wednesday due to the anticipation of the Fed interest rate decision, and then maybe the speech or whatever, the press conference. So please be aware there could be some shakeups this week, which typically happens when the market is moving in a range, after a strong move, which happened on Friday. Then consolidation, and then typically it takes a bit of a shakeout before we can then proceed, with a trending move. At the moment, this is still counted as wave 4 in the white count. That's wave 4 of wave C of a B wave pullback. Before then, we could carry on higher. On this chart, this is just micro resistance. So as long as we stay below resistance, my view is the downside pressure is still high. Bitcoin is very stubborn, doesn't really want to come down. We've seen it many times before with Bitcoin. Also, a lot of altcoins are back in their individual ranges after Friday's sell-off. So not really anything exciting happening today here. But we are way above relevant support levels, way above. So the overall bullish structure I'm tracking here, this uptrend that started on the 1st of May, is not affected at all negatively, and it won't be affected until we break below 62,540. That's the 78.6 retracement level of this A wave to the upside. So, and then we could possibly test this level and then go up. But that would be a massive wave B. I don't actually expect that, which is why I've put it here onto the chart, that the price ideally holds here. It doesn't mean we have to test it. That's the golden ratio level, 64,440. But it's just an additional level to watch, right? It's ideally the price holds here, and we don't really want it to go down that much. It's not needed. It's already, we have an A wave, we have a high B wave, so the C wave down doesn't need that much space. So what would be alternative considerations? Well, an alternative pattern would be that we test the lower support area. In this case, we formed a larger B wave top, and the wave 4 never finished on the 1st of May. Instead, is still unfolding. That would be short-term bearish, but again, it takes a break below 62,540 to confirm that, and I have no evidence at all for that at the moment. Another more directly bullish perspective would be that we can say, okay, maybe this is a wave 1. This was the rally into the 6th of May high. Maybe this is a wave 2. Got it on the chart already, yeah. Maybe this is not an A wave, but instead a third wave. I've kind of given up on that because the third is not long enough. But yeah, maybe this is a fourth wave. And because this is a diagonal, we could say this is an A wave up. This is a B wave pullback. And we could now start the, no, 1 second. It's not like that. No, it would count better as A, B, C of 5. And then this would be a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do I like this count? No. But it might be another one to consider if we break to the upside more directly without breaking below the Friday low. So it's just something else. But you know, it's just not my preferred count for various reasons, and it would take a direct break above resistance to confirm that. But at the moment, the white count serves as well. It's just a problem with the white count if we rally directly from here. Then this V wave is a bit too short, so I would need to think about, okay, is something different going on? Again, it's, of course, the market can turn to the upside. I'm not telling you we need that one more low. Just saying this wave count, it would be preferred. But just watch the resistance level. A break would indicate a low in place of some sort. Please be aware that this is currently only a 3-wave rally, so I couldn't confirm, however, a more substantial low until further evidence is seen. Yeah, but we remain focused on higher overall. Just be mindful that there could be another low in the short term. We might not see much action today, tomorrow, due to the Fed interest rate decision, which is only coming up on Wednesday. And at least after Wednesday, hopefully we see a little bit more action. We'll see. We'll see. The levels should all be clear. Levels should be crystal clear. The overall trend should be clear as well, that we focus on higher against that key micro support area. And I'm looking for higher prices as per the white count. Oops. Just the most important question in the very, very short term is, do we get another low or not? And I also can't tell you that, but we have very clear levels to watch, very clear resistance levels. And in the very short term, as long as the price stays below, downside pressure, I think, is high. And sorry, and one more low is preferred. That's my update about Bitcoin. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.